Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are all well today. Today is Christmas Eve, and as I'm drinking my morning coffee, I decided to do a little project. And the project is to try to remove rust from this vintage York barbell. This is a little piece of gym history, and what I will be using is this Hammerite rust remover gel. So they suggest that we use wire brush with it, but I haven't got a wire brush, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this painting brush. It's quite coarse, and I'm gonna apply some of this green substance onto the barbell, and I'm gonna brush it around and then leave it for about 20 minutes. I think it might be a good idea to actually brush this around more than once. For example, apply it, then come back after 5 minutes, do a little bit more, and then again after 5 minutes, and until 20 minutes has gone. So this is what I'm going to do. That's 5 minutes gone. You can see the green substance is turning a little bit orange in some places. So now I'm going to add a little bit more and brush it a little bit more. A wire brush would probably make the process quicker, but I do not want to scratch the piece. So this is why I'm using this brush. I prefer to repeat the process several times with normal brush than scratch the surface. Okay, so I'm gonna brush it around again, and then again leave it for 5 minutes and repeat again, especially around here. Okay, so that's done, and now I'm going to leave it for another 5 minutes and then repeat. Okay, that's another 5 minutes gone, so I'm going to again add a little bit more, work the brush around it and leave it for another 5 minutes. Then I'm going to do it one more time, and at the end I will wash it off and dry it, and I will show you the final result. Okay, so now 20 minutes has passed since I applied the gel. The gel is still not dry, so potentially you could keep this going until it's a little bit drier, but I'm going to terminate my experiment now. This is the last brushing around now, and I'm going to rinse it. When I will be rinsing it, I'm going to use warm water, and I will be using the brush as I rinse it, so this way I will clean the barbell, and at the same time I'm going to get my brush cleaned as well. Okay, so I'm going to wash it now, and I will show you what it looks like. That's the barbell washed already. It's still wet, so I'm going to use a little bit of toilet roll to dry it up. I will allow it to dry completely, and I will show you what it looks like. So it's been gently dried with the paper roll. I'm not going to press the paper too hard against it and rub it, because I don't want bits of papers in between the letters. So I'm going to now just leave it for a couple of minutes to dry out completely. So now you can see the barbell completely dry. I can see a difference, however, not all the rust is gone yet, but the surface is definitely cleaner, it's more flat, a good portion of the rust is gone. I haven't scratched it, so that's good. And this is the final result. So what I think is, it would be definitely possible to remove more rust, but we will need to repeat this process, this 20 minutes process, several times to get more of the rust off. I'm going to finish my experiment at this today, because today is Christmas Eve, one of the shortest days, so I'm not gonna be getting a lot of light today for my video, and also I've got to go and do things I need to do. So hope you enjoyed my video. This is my result for today with the Hammerite rust removal gel and a normal painting brush. Okay guys, have a lovely day, have a nice Christmas if you celebrate Christmas, Happy New Year, and maybe see you in the next video. Bye now.